Yo, my name is Cybernetic Shellshock, you know me as Cybershock, and today, we're doing an experiment. Basically, you know when people are taking tests and quizzes, and they reuse the sheets from the last class, because they don't want to have to print too much paper, I guess, I don't know. And they give you Scantrons or something. Well, there's always, like, writing scrawled on those, like, things crossed out, scribbles in the corners, and it always psychs me out, like, what does it mean? Does it mean anything? Will it help me get the right answer? But that's just me, so I'm wondering, are other people influenced by this sprawling and this mystical writing that people have placed here? Well, that's my question, in short. Will people choose the wrong answer just because there's indication that someone else thought it would be correct? Okay, on that note, roll it!
But an experiment is not a public opinion poll. It examines behavior under the pressure of social forces, as the experiment of Solomon Asch reveals.
Conformity experiments like this are fairly common. This being one of the most famous ones. People are asked to judge the length of a line and shout it out amongst other people, and actors say the wrong answer, and it's extremely conclusive that people say the wrong answer just to conform to the people around them. So, with my experiment, I'm going to make a hypothesis based around this. I'm gonna say that they will choose the wrong answer because of the indication. If you're gonna conduct an experiment like this, you gotta make sure people don't know what you're doing. And to help make sure this happens, I made sure I looked like I didn't know what I was doing at all. Check it. That's Comic Sans. The most hated font on the internet. I use an exclamation mark with question mark. I have a picture that's clearly supposed to be in color, printed in black and white. Totally unprofessional. And, bigger note. What I did was, I made a survey asking about background stuff, like, what are the Google logo colors? And on the control group, I just sent out the survey. But on the experimental group, I had someone circle the answers, the wrong answers, and basically erase it to the best of their ability. But it's still visible, you can't see it. I have a bad webcam. Okay, looking at the chart. This is for the control group. Basically, they were given a blank test sheet with the questions on it and were expected to answer it. We're looking at question 1, which asked what the Google logo colors are. They were essentially just a random blend of red, blue, green, but nothing too standing out, like two reds next to each other. Pretty convincing. White on this graph is the correct answer. As you can see, the plurality got it right. I don't know how they got it right. Maybe people pay too much attention. But it is clear. Now, D is the suggested answer on the experimental group that we circled and erased. As you can see, only 2 people guessed D. But when we look at the experimental group, and I don't know if the colors are all switched, sorry if they are, they probably are, we can clearly see that a lot less people chose the right answer, which was B. 3 people chose it. But what we are seeing is the answer that we circled and erased. D is getting a lot more all of a sudden. Look at that, the plurality votes D as the right answer. Clearly showing that something went on there. What is my conclusion? People cheat. No, basically, people really did show to go with the answer that was there instead of the other one. Granted, this was a small survey. The question probably most people didn't know. But you can't just say, why would they know? Because even though they might not have known anyways, it definitely did influence their decision. Part of psychological study is replicating. So I challenge you people, especially you, to go and replicate that. Do it better, improve it, I don't know. I am just one person. Yeah.
Hey, you moved my stump. I'm gonna